How can you get the HEIC photos off the iPhone? Let me show you all of the things you need to know about it. Let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, consider subscribing for more videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so depends on what you need, because if you already have the HEIC photos stored in the gallery, you can swipe up on the image and check out the extension or file type. And if you want to get those off of the iPhone, you can just select them or just select just a single one and tap on the share button and perhaps share it over the AirDrop or over email, upload it to Google Drive, or, literally any of the methods will get the job done. So it kind of behaves like every other photo. So you can just share it the regular methods. It might be larger in terms of the file type, but, it works fundamentally the same way. If you, on the other hand, mean something else, like you want to stop that from happening, like stop getting the HEIC photos and you want to just get the regular pictures, then what you have to do is to check out the main settings app where you go to the camera. And part of the camera, we have the formats. So there you basically decide in which file format the pictures will be saved when you use or capture them through the camera. And of course, you can pick between the high efficiency and most compatible, and high efficiency is the HEIC, whereas most compatible is going to save it in the JPEG. So JPEG, as the name says, is compatible with basically every device which can view photos, whereas the high efficiency, it may be kind of problematic on some devices and it's going to take up a bit more storage, even though the quality is likely going to be better. So depends on which option you want to go with, but these are the options we have. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.